These are the most tender oven-baked ribs you'll ever make, and you don't need a grill. Hey Ginger Gems, welcome back to Vlogmas in the Kitchen Day 2. I'm Ginger, also known as Kim, and today I'm showing you how to make my oh so tender oven ribs. Try it and thank me later. Start off with 2 full rack of ribs. I'm trimming off any excess fat. We're going to remove the thin white membrane. This is the first step to getting tender ribs. Use a knife to lift it up and then gently peel it off. Clean your ribs to your liking. I like to take off any extra fat. I choose to cut my ribs this time, but you can do according to what you prefer. Be sure to subscribe so you don't miss any of my step-by-step detailed recipes and Vlogmas in the Kitchen. Now that we have prepared our ribs, let's give them a good rinse with some lemon and lime. Discard the dirty water and then add some clean, fresh water to it. Rinse well and then discard the water one last time. Let's prepare our seasoning blend using
some all-purpose, some garlic salt,
some freshly cracked black pepper,
1 teaspoon of sazon, a bit of clove powder, cayenne pepper, some chicken seasoning, and some salt. We got all the seasonings. Mix well, mix well, mix well. Mix well, mix well.
If you watch Vlogmas in the Kitchen Day 1, I made some green seasoning, and this is the blender I used to mix my green seasoning. And because we don't waste anything, I added some water to the blender to get all leftover green seasoning that I'm gonna add to my ribs. Don't be shy with the seasoning. Ribs, they love flavor. So add as much as you want, measure with the heart, and then mix well. I was trying to be fancy for the video and use a spatula, but man, the spatula ain't doing it. I'm using my hands. For maximum flavor, I suggest that you season overnight, but I didn't. So grab your baking dish and lay your ribs meat side down. Pour all your juices on the ribs and let's bake. Bake for 45 minutes, and while we wait, let's prepare our sauce using some leftover McDonald's sweet and sour sauce, some barbecue sauce, and of course measure with the heart because it depends on how many racks of ribs you have. We're gonna add some ketchup as well. And as I always say, don't let ingredients stop you from trying the recipes. If you don't have ketchup, use tomato sauce, use tomato paste. I also just added some browning. If you don't have browning, you can use some soy sauce. Look at that. Our ribs are already starting to look good and smell good, if you know what I mean. So we're gonna go ahead and flip them over. And brush on some of that nice sauce that we made earlier. Add as much or as little as you would like according to your own liking. And if you don't have any ribs at home or you don't eat any ribs, this recipe can also be made with chicken. When they are well coated, add them back to the oven for 30 minutes. 30 minutes later, we're going to take it out of the oven, flip them over on the other side, and add some more of that gorgeous sauce. Our labor of love is almost done. The last step will be to add them back to the oven and broil for 5 minutes so that this beautiful sauce can caramelize. And 2 hours later, our ribs are ready. Look how they are glistening, beautiful, caramelized, looking good, smelling good, and tasting good. Be sure to try this recipe, guys. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, comment, and subscribe to Ginger's Powder for more Vlogmas in the kitchen. I will see you on day 3. Bye!